What is this owl saying? Are you done with your owl? Are you done with her? Is she old news now?
Yeah.
There's your sister. You have a real birdie.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
From fake bird to real bird. Minus the fact that the sister's leaving.
Wow. Wow.
Family broadcast.
Does anybody want to come down and help me bring these groceries in?
Do
No.
we want to? No. Daddy should have worded it differently. All right, go and help Daddy whether you want to or not.
too.
I have Atticus. Go help Daddy whether you want to or not.
Aw.
Oh, oh my goodness. Go. I suppose I should go help too. Say bye, Addie.